let's say he doesn't have money, but he cheat outside, you don't see. You're still okay with that?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Why?
I don't take it.
So you are saying you only have the right to cheat if you have money?
Yes.
Why?
Awuthi ukhala ubuhlafuna phela. Yasukhale nje umuntu ongenamali. Ethe bekuzwisa ubuhlungu ubuhlafuna. Ethi ubewazi ukuthi vele you have something, something. Yahamba uyogroova ucitha stress sokuthi yakuchithela.
So afuna ukhala emkhukhwini? You
No.
rather cry in a mansion?
Yes.
Rather cry in a Lamborghini?
Yes.
So men who don't have money, they are not allowed to cheat. That's what you are saying?
Yes, they are not, because vele uzohlalelana uyakhala, awuhlafuni, awuphuzi. Mele uthi ubune stress uhambe kwi-spa, uthi ice yakho. So
or there Uber Eats?
Yes, Uber Eats. Wazi ukuthi ukhala ubuhlafuna. Not nje uyakhala nje kuphela ubekezela into engekho.
But I believe everyone have their own things set up in their own way. So now that's what you want, and
Yes.
Yeah. Can you give advice to people who are watching about Mjola? Like advice?
Mina ngithi nje ungabomthemba umuntu. Ungathembi kakhulu endodeni. Cha, siyamthemba.
What about amantombazane?
Amantombazane?
Like thina abafana.
Thina amantombazane si-right. Mawufika uba serious nathi siba serious. Mawufika udlala siyahamba. Sohlangana phambili naba right.
When are you not cheating?
Yes, I'm not cheating.
Are you not flirting with anyone on your phone?
No.
Serious?
Yes.
So in this past month you've been sleeping?
Me, I don't cheat.
You don't cheat?
Yes.
Okay.